Want to go from 0 to 100 push-ups? It might seem impossible now, but with the right progression, dedication, and technique, you can build strength and endurance to reach that milestone. Stay tuned as we break down the ultimate push-up progression plan. Why push UPS? Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises because they heavy checkmark build upper body and core strength, heavy checkmark improve endurance and stability, heavy checkmark require no equipment and can be done anywhere, heavy checkmark help burn calories and aid in fat loss. But reaching 100 push-ups takes a smart approach. Let's dive into how you can progress safely and effectively. Phase 1, Building a foundation. If you're starting from 0, don't worry. Begin with these exercises to build strength. A heavy checkmark wall push UPS, stand against a wall and push your body away from it. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Heavy checkmark incline push UPS, use a bench or elevated surface to make push-ups easier. Heavy checkmark knee push UPS, lower onto your knees and perform standard push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Heavy checkmark plank holds, strengthen your core by holding a plank for 20 to 30 seconds. Once you can comfortably do 15 knee push-ups in a row, move to the next phase. Phase 2, Standard push UPS. Now, it's time to master the classic push-up. Follow this plan. A heavy checkmark perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Heavy checkmark keep your back straight and engage your core. Heavy checkmark lower your chest until it's close to the ground. Heavy checkmark push back up explosively. Once you can do 3 sets of 15 reps comfortably, it's time to level up. Phase 3, Increasing reps. Now, you're ready to push your limits. Follow this schedule to gradually increase your push-up count. Heavy checkmark week 1, do 20 push-ups per session, 2 sets of 10. Heavy checkmark week 2, increase to 30 push-ups, 3 sets of 10. Heavy checkmark week 3, aim for 50 push-ups, 2 sets of 25. Heavy checkmark week 4, hit 75 push-ups, 3 sets of 25. Heavy checkmark week 5 to 6, go for 100 push-ups, 2 sets of 50 or 4 sets of 25. Phase 4, Push-up variations for strength. To build endurance and strength, mix in these variations. A heavy checkmark wide grip push UPS, targets the chest more. Heavy checkmark diamond push UPS, focuses on triceps. Heavy checkmark archer push UPS, strengthens individual arms. Heavy checkmark explosive push UPS, improves power. Heavy checkmark decline push UPS, increases difficulty by elevating feet. Tips to reach 100 push UPS. Keycap 1, practice daily, consistency is key. Do push-ups every other day to allow recovery. Point 2, improve form, quality over quantity. Keep your body straight, elbows at 45 degrees, and core engaged. Point 3, track progress, note your daily reps and celebrate improvements. Point 4, rest and recover, allow muscles to recover for optimal strength gains. Point 5, stay motivated, set goals and challenge yourself each week. Final verdict. Reaching 100 push-ups takes time, patience, and smart training. If you follow this progression, stay consistent, and push yourself, you'll reach your goal faster than you think. Flexed biceps fire. Call to action. If this helped you, drop a comment and let us know your current push-up count. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips. Watch next, best push-up variations for strength and muscle growth. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more workout tips.